What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and as you can tell, I'm back at home. So all on the holiday, fantastic. However, time to get back to these videos. Time to show you what I've been sent while I've been away. My favourite case has arrived. Big package from Caudabe, and we've got the sheath. They sent over two colours, the black and the blue. They also sent over the buttons as well, because now you can interchange buttons and make the case your own. So let's just get straight into it. I'll go with the black one, show you the black, and then I'll get the blue out and we'll show you that. Caudabe in the middle, usual Caudabe branding. Sheath, black, S25 Ultra. Sheath, what it stands for: cover buttons with incredible tactile feedback, exceptional magnetic strength, acclaimed micro etch texture, enhances grip, and resist lint and scratches. Minimalist perfection, where they were founded. Let's just open it out and pop this open, and there is the black version with the black buttons. Little leaflet as you normally get, shows you the different products that they do. And then this right here: relax, you're covered, 1 year hassle-free warranty, 30-day returns and exchanges, they reply within 1 business day. I'll show you the Dusk, I believe it's called. Ooh, looks so good. And there it is, there's the Dusk. So same again, little leaflet inside and your hassle-free warranty. Okay, so there we go. So there's the black and the Dusk. I know there's another colour which they never sent out. They only sent the two, which I'm more than happy with. So, and obviously you're going to be able to change these buttons on the side of the black case for the blue. So I think it'll look really good with that on it. But however, I think we're going to go with, I'm going to show off and do the blue case, and then I'll show you what the black case looks like on the phone. Let's go ahead and give it a quick weigh. Then we'll throw it in the phone. Then we'll throw the phone in and check it out that way as well. So let's go 49 grams without the phone. So if we throw in the S25 Ultra, still really enjoying this phone, by the way. Okay, so S25 Ultra in, 279 grams. There's the Dusk. I think that looks fantastic. I think Caudabe have absolutely nailed it. I mean, we have waited a while to see this case come out, and I think that looks absolutely stunning. I think Caudabe have absolutely nailed it, and I think this is going to be my case going forward, apart from when I'm in work, otherwise I'm going to get dirty fingerprints all over it. But cameras nice and recessed into that camera housing right there, and of course no like P design or cutouts. It's just straight cutouts for each individual camera, which looks fantastic. So you can go ahead and place it down like so and not have to worry. Now I have a screen protector on my phone, and the lip runs across the top of it. You're going to be able to place your phone face down and not have to worry about it. So you're not going to have to worry about putting any marks on that case for whatever's on the table you're going to put it on. But that is superb. Caudabe have absolutely nailed it again. Caudabe logo on the bottom. As I say, camera cutout. The anodized aluminium buttons are, yeah, nice and tactile. Just what we're after. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive. And of course you're going to be able to swap them out. So in the blue case you can swap them out for like the black version or whatever. So whatever you want to do, you can do that. On the bottom, cutouts for your S Pen. Nice and easy to access. Cutout for your speaker, your charge port, and of course your mic. Nothing on this side. Cutout on the top for your mics up top, and just on the other side is your power and your volume rocker. So if we go ahead and take out the MagSafe power bank and just attach it, I mean, just took it out of my hand. But of course you don't have to worry about anything. It's connected to the actual case, and there's nothing there stopping it, like with the P design and stuff like that. So there's nothing there stopping this. So, ooh, that ain't coming off. But that's not the major test that we like to do. Of course, we like to do the Nomad base stand and see whether this can pick it up, and then we know how strong the magnet is. So, it's on. It's now charging, and I never had any doubt in my mind. Absolutely nailed. That's showing off the Dusk. So now let me show off the black version, and there is the black, which obviously I know so many will go for because they prefer a black case, which I know so many will go for because they prefer a black case. But again, exactly the same as the Dusk. All round protection, looks good, nice and grippy on the sides, nice grippy on the back, and you don't have to worry about your phone. It's perfectly protected in this case. And Caudabe, with how they operate, they're a no-brainer. So which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you go for the black, the dusk, or would you go for one of the other colours? Let me know in the comments. But however, what we will do is, they did send out the machined aluminium buttons. So they sent them out in the they sent it out in the cobalt blue. So let's check it out on the black case. So you just literally go in there and you just pop them out like so. Same for that one, and same for your power button. Just pop them out like so, and obviously you can put them into the bag. And there is the cobalt blue on the black case with cobalt blue buttons. So let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is that a good look, or would you go for a different colour on the black case? Now they did send over the scarlet and the silver buttons, so which one would you throw on your phone case? I do like the cobalt blue. I think it looks really good on this one. I don't know whether it would look good on the dusk. Obviously it'd be a different colour blue on the sides, so it may look a bit weird. I will do a load of testing. I'll show that maybe in a short, but let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. There we go, interchangeable buttons, the Caudabe Sheath for the S25 Ultra. Great MagSafe, great protection. What more could you ask for? Huge thank you to Caudabe for sending these over for us to take a look at and for me to show you. I've got another load of videos still to go with Caudabe, so make sure you stay tuned and check them videos out. I think I've just found my new phone case for a little while with the cobalt blue buttons and the black case. As I say, I will test out a few others and I'll show you them in a short. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on so you don't miss future uploads. There is a full S25 Ultra playlist, so be sure to head down. I'll leave it linked in the description down below for you guys to check out. As I say, full playlist, plenty of videos on there, and still more to come. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.